Hey there, course creators. Trying to pick the best platform for your online course? Today we're comparing Teachable and Kajabi to help you decide which one's right for you. Let's keep it simple and dive in. First, Teachable. It's a platform focused on making and selling online courses. You can create lessons with videos, quizzes, and files, and it's super easy to use. Teachable lets you set up a basic website to show off your courses, and it handles payments for you. It's great for beginners because it's affordable, starting at $39 a month, but there is a small fee for each sale on lower plans. Now, Kajabi. This is an all-in-one platform for courses, marketing, and more. You can build courses, create a full website, send emails, and even set up sale funnels. Kajabi's got tons of tools to grow your business, but it's pricier, starting at $149 a month with no transaction fees. It's built for people who want everything in one place. So how do they compare? Teachable is simpler and cheaper. Perfect if you're just starting and want to focus on courses. It's easy to set up, but it doesn't have many marketing tools, so you might need extra apps for emails or funnels. Kajabi, on the other hand, has everything: course building, marketing, and a slick website builder. It's great for scaling your business, but costs more and might feel overwhelming if you're new. So which is better? Pick Teachable if you're a beginner, testing a course, or on a budget. Go with Kajabi if you're ready to grow, need marketing tools, or want an all-in-one solution. Think about your goals and budget, and you'll know what's best. That's it for today. Drop a comment with your pick and start building your course. See you next time. Like and subscribe for more videos.